Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Getting your new PlayStation 5 connected to your 2025 Insignia TV is much simpler than you might think. This guide will walk you through every step, ensuring a smooth and quick setup process. We'll cover everything from cables to final settings, so you can dive into your favorite games without any hassle. Get ready to experience breathtaking visuals and incredible performance right on your living room screen. It's time to power up and play. For a high-quality connection, always start with the HDMI cable that came with your PlayStation 5. This specific cable is designed to support the console's advanced features, including 4K resolution and high refresh rates. On your Insignia TV, look for an HDMI 2. One port, often labeled accordingly, to ensure the best possible visual experience. Plug one end into the TV and the other into the sole HDMI output located at the back of your PS5. This simple step forms the foundation of your setup. Now, let's make the physical connections. Start by gently pushing one end of your HDMI cable into the chosen HDMI port on the back of your Insignia TV until it clicks securely. Then, take the other end of the HDMI cable and insert it into the HDMI OUT port on the rear of your PlayStation 5. Finally, connect your PS5 power cable to the console and then into a reliable power source. Double-check all connections to ensure they are firm and properly seated. With everything connected, it's time to power up both your Insignia TV and your PlayStation 5. Grab your TV remote and look for the Input or Source button, which is usually clearly marked. Pressing this button will bring up a list of available inputs. Scroll through the options and select the HDMI port number where you connected your PS5. Your TV should now display the PlayStation 5 startup screen. If it doesn't, just ensure you selected the correct input. Once your Insignia TV displays the PlayStation 5 startup screen, simply follow the easy on-screen instructions to complete its initial setup. If you encounter a no-signal message or a flickering display, don't worry. First, double-check that both ends of your HDMI cable are securely plugged in. Next, try restarting both your Insignia TV and your PS5 console by unplugging them for 30 seconds. This often resolves minor connection glitches. You're now ready to enjoy your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.